Hey guys, this is Corey Green. This is week 3 of our application deployment class, and I'm here to show you my application so far. It's called RP Utility. Still a work in progress. I'm not sure exactly if I want that to be the final name, but let me go through what it's supposed to do. It's got 3 separate sections to it: dice roll, player points, countdown timer. And let me go into dice roll. Everything's all fleshed out. Everything has their own graphic, um, including the back buttons. Um, Everything pops up and says what it is, 6 die, and the roll. Click OK. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And as you can see down here, it actually gives you the last 5 rolls. And when you click on the next one, it'll bring up the next roll and cycle through that array. So going back, that is pretty much perfect, spot on perfect. Player session points. This is not how I intended it to look. I'm still going to have to work on it. I wanted it to be a UI list view, so you're able to scroll up and down for the different players. But the buttons work. They subtract, add perfectly fine, reset perfectly fine. The only thing it doesn't do that I needed it to do was to, like I said before, a UI scroll view, and also to save the numbers. So like when you click on that and go back and then come back in, it should load those numbers back up until you hit reset. For now it does not. Let's see, my countdown timer functions pretty much like it should: hours, minutes, seconds. Let that settle. 3 minutes, or 2 hours, 3 minutes, and 27 seconds. So start it. That functions fine. Stop functions just fine. Start starts it back up. When you go back, it'll still be persistent here, which is awesome. I like that. The only problem is that when you go back into countdown timer, it gets reset. The timer itself gets reset, but the persistent timer keeps going, which is good. I do like that functionality because I don't want it to be where every time you go into countdown timer it stops. You know, if you accidentally click on it or something. So let's go into settings, and none of this works. But as you can see down here, it registers in the console view. Facebook on and off. The only thing that does work about this is that it's the states get saved to the data layer. So if you go back, go into settings, all this still stays the same. So, and that actually saves upon hitting the back button, which is awesome. So let me show you a little bit about the code. This guy right here, I'm not sure what to do about. I'm not sure what to do about this error, and this is actually a custom code block that I'm having passed in from the, I think it's the countdown timer. Yes. Yes. And that gets passed in every single time this updates. So every time the timer goes through an interval of 1 second, it gets updated. So the only thing that I was able to really accomplish this time around was my data layer and my settings view, which it saves to the data layer and then pulls from the data layer, and the data layer actually saves everything. So that was fine. I wasn't able to get Twitter up and running. I wasn't able to get Facebook up and running, which I'm going to be working on all this week. So that is an update as far as my application goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I am hoping to get more done this week and basically complete it all within this week. So I have faith. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.